Hello, this is Helena, my Overlander project. 18 ton HGV, lorry, rear wheel drive, 6 litre diesel, 6 speed box. The rear has been converted and I've just fitted a domestic DAB Jet 82 water pump which produces mains pressure. Which I've also got a 10 litre Ariston hot water system. Just got to fit a accumulator when it arrives, and if we just go inside, I've just getting on with the toilet and shower room, which again, domestic shower tray, and a sliding door. Just come back. Household fridge freezer, a lovely redwood live edge kitchen counter, household sink, household tap. Got a 10-way Ninja oven, air fryer. And we've got 2 settees that turn into a very large bed. The water system, house pressure. And if we go back outside, so here we are outside. This is the 335 litre water tank that feeds the water pump. And in here we have the household washing machine and the 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter charger, a grow watt system. And on the roof I've got 2000 watts of solar panels, and I'm now just going to test the washing machine now that I've got the water and the waste all set up. Okay, so here we are inside. Oh, we don't want that. Oh, we don't want that. Be handy if I know how a washing machine works. There we go. So that's now on the go. These are my 2 48 volt batteries. And here is the grow watt hybrid inverter charger. So we seem to be working now that I've got the waste tank all plumbed in, and there's the pump having a little go just to top up the washing machine, and we'll see how she works.